Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, I have the Neewer Pop Shield. This is the 6-inch, the B3. One of the benefits of this is it has a clamp, so you can clamp it to a table, and then you have a nice long gooseneck that allows you to put this wherever you need it. I use it for my recording camera. I was getting a lot of popping when I was doing a review like this because the microphone is right in front of my face. So I decided to get this, attach it to my table, and then I can just angle this right in front of my mouth. This allows me to place it in a way where it's not blocking the screen on the back of my camera so I can monitor what's being filmed, but still block my mouth and prevent any pops. These are only $5 on Amazon, and check the link in the description to find exactly this device. But overall, $5, and it's really improved the quality of the audio in my videos. So real quick, I'll show you how it's set up, and it's very easy. All right, so I have the clamp connected pretty sturdy on my table here. As you can see, it's kind of pushing in. But all you need to do is swivel this up. So you just kind of have to push it into the position where you need it. And it will stay there after a second. You gotta kind of have to play with it a little bit. But then as you can see, it's blocking the area where my mouth would be. And I can still view the monitor. And I can still get my hands around it to manipulate the product that I'm reviewing. Here's kind of a faraway shot so you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. So that was the 6-inch Pop Shield from Neewer. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.